Thermal rifle scope. For orders, please check description. Now you watch this video. Multiple lens options: 25, 35, 54 and 75 mm. Upgraded version CS6. Thermal rifle scope imager side camera, night vision for outdoor hunting view. Monocular telescope. 19 sold out and 30% off. This is the price. You watch this video. Thermal rifle scope, imager sight camera, night vision for outdoor hunting. Monocular telescope. This is the real product pictures, another pictures, and this is the packaging. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check description.